So what is economic growth? Can you tell me what is economic growth in simple words? In 1 or 2 words, very simple. Economic growth means no, qualitative, quantitative is very subjective, very qualitative. Make it somewhat precise in simple words. I'm not asking the difference. My question is economic growth. So it should be clear that you have to answer what is asked, not anything. In UPSC, it's very like in university exam. You can write anything related to that topic, you'll get marks. And more you write, you can get better marks. But in UPSC, if you will write everything about that, the examiner won't know that you don't have idea what is asked. You can't discriminate. So you have to write exactly what is asked, or in general also. So I have asked, what is economic growth in short, in simple words? Simple words. Growth to hum पूछ रहे तो you are saying growth. Increase in size of economy. अब ये economy is very somewhat complex. अच्छा, what is meaning of economy? चलिए economy word आया तो we have discussed economics. And what is economy? The economics we have discussed. It studies production, distribution of goods and services, or resource allocation, optimal allocation of resources. What is economy? Economy simply means productive activities. Actually, productive activities in a given area, that is economy. So whatever economic activities like production, distribution of goods and services in a particular area is called economy of that area. Like Indian economy, whatever productive activities are going on in India, that is economy of India. What's the point? So economy is same thing, those productive activities in a given area. It may be a country or maybe a particular region or a state. So that is economy of that area. Economic growth in simple words means increase in production. Obviously, production of goods and services. When production of goods and services increases, we say economy is growing. Okay, so you may write down definition of economic growth. So it refers to economic growth. It refers to the process of increase in production of goods and services. Increase in production of goods and services in an economy over a long period of time. Over a long period of time. Increase in production of goods and services in an economy over a long period of time. Normally, it is supposed to be in general long period, is a long-term phenomena. Because how we compare increase, when we show growth of economy maybe in this financial year, so we say that last year in 2016-17, what was growth of our economy? Last year. Yeah, GDP growth kitna tha? 7.6. 16-17 mein. It was. Why don't you remember? Everybody must have read that was 7.1. Everybody must have read that growth. You don't remember because you must have read a lot of data and you confuse which data is important. Because a lot of data is released in newspaper, sometimes monthly data, quarterly data, some projections, and lot of data. So you don't, because you have read so much data, you didn't remember what is important. You should remember. So you should be knowing what was growth rate of our economy in the the previous financial year. That was 16-17, which ended on 31st March 2017. So that was 7.1. So growth. And when we say in 16-17, our growth was 7.1, it means that what? We produced 7.1% more goods and services in 16-17. Yes, as compared to previous year, as compared to 15-16. Got the point? So when we talk about growth, we always compare in relation to previous year. If we are talking about growth of a particular month, then we shall see production of in the same month of previous year. So base is always previous year, or we can say corresponding period of previous year. This is a convention. So growth is always estimated on the base of previous year. Base is always previous year. I think it is clear. Acha, and can we say economic growth is same as increase in GDP? Yes or no? Is it same as increase in GDP? Yes. So you will mention this definition. It is the process of, or it refers to simply, it refers to persistent increase in, real GDP or real per capita income. Persistent increase in real GDP or real per capita income. If GDP will increase or per capita income will increase, then it is called economic growth. Achha, what is meaning of real GDP? Real GDP means actual production should increase. Sometimes value of goods and services produced may increase because of inflation only. Okay, for example, we produce 100 goods quantity and price was 10 rupees. So what will be GDP of this value of output? 1000. Clear? If the production quantity this year and next year we produce same, but price increased to 11 rupees. So what will be our GDP? 1100. So the quantity of goods was same. We produce same good, but price increased from 10 to 11. So value of goods and services produced and sold will increase or not? Earlier this much, but is it real growth? No. So when we say real growth, we have to eliminate inflation. So it should be actual increase in production. So we will discuss in detail later. So in simple word, I think got the point. When we say real GDP, we mean actual increase in production. So it means that we have to ignore inflation, because here GDP has increased because of increase in price without actual production. So when we say real GDP, we mean this. And what is per capita income? That is national income upon population, means average income in simple words. So if actual production is increasing or per capita income is increasing, still we can say economy is growing. Okay. So what is economic growth? Increase in production, or we can say increase in GDP over a long period of time.